Welcome to Backyard Plus. In this video we show you how to replace the Froggy's cartridge holder if the handle is broken. Before we get started, let's go over the tools and parts you will need. Tools you will need: drill with 7/32" bit, needle nose pliers, and a hook tool. Parts you will need: 74500 Froggy's cartridge holder. Step 1. Remove the cartridge holder cap and remove the broken handle from the Froggy's cartridge. Step 2. Drill 3 shallow holes in the top of the Froggy's cartridge holder. Step 3. Insert the needle nose pliers into the 2 holes, push down and rotate the cartridge holder counterclockwise 1/8 turn. Step 4. Insert your hook tool into one of the holes and pull up to remove the cartridge holder. Step 5. Lube the cartridge holder O-ring with silicone grease. Step 6. Insert the new cartridge holder into the body and rotate the cartridge holder clockwise 1/8 turn to lock it in place. Step 7. Install the cartridge holder cap and you're done. Thanks for watching. Our goal here at Backyard Plus is to save you money by avoiding costly service calls for repairs that you could easily do by yourself. If you have any questions or need to place an order, feel free to give us a call at 805-541-9000 or visit us online at backyardplus.com.